So in this very quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can add text to the videos in the Davinci Resolve software. So all you need to do is to just simply open the software on your device. Now, for example, this is a basic timeline on which I've been working. Add the video clips and the audio clips as per your requirements. Now, if I want to add some text to this, all you need to do is to just simply on this effect panel, you need to first go to this option of toolbox, and here you can see, if you scroll down, you can see this icon of text, titles. Just simply click over there, and various types of text are available for you to add on this. So, or if you want, if you find some of the text that are available that are good for you, just simply drag and drop to the second layer of timeline so that it will be added to the video. Now you can see the text has been added, and if I click over there, I can just simply change it, or if I add some more effect to this text as well. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.